In this video, we are going to look into how to connect a MacBook or Mac devices on a processor. Mac devices will support on all novastar processors. To find out the input connector version and supported resolutions, check the below table. Connect the MacBook with the processor. When we connect the processor, the display shows no signal. The reason for this is the MacBook resolution is higher than the processor input connector version can support. In this video, we will discuss how to make the change. After we connect the MacBook with the processor, click the Apple logo icon and select System Settings. We can do this same function by clicking Settings icon at the bottom. In Settings, select the option Display option from the menu. On Display, the first settings we will see is the inbuilt display. We can adjust the resolution of the inbuilt display in here. The processor's display will be automatically detected as a second display. Select that display. After selecting the display, usually the display resolution will be the current resolution, which is more than the processor's input connector can support. So select the Show All Resolutions and select the resolution the processor can support. When all these steps are finished, our MacBook display will appear on the LED screen, and we set up the display to mirror or extended display as per our requirement.